Ooh wee! It's another Funko Friday, and I have something to show ya. Are you ready for me to show you what I got? I got the new Rick Soda. This is by far one of my favorite sodas. As you can see, I'm a big Rick and Morty fan. One thing I really love about the sodas is just the artwork on the cans. I mean, just look at this Rick. Here we go. I'm not going to look at the pog because I'd rather open it up and see for myself. Alright, eyes are closed. Which one do we have? You guys get to see it first. It's regular Rick. Look at how cool he is. This is definitely better in person. I'm just gonna set him right over here. On to the next one. Hopefully this one's easier to open. Alright, here we go. Way easier. Not looking inside the can. Come on, is it the chase? Is it the chase? It's the chase! No way! Doofus Rick! It's so funny. I love the details on Rick's portal gun as well. I'm glad I got a comment and a chase. They're gonna look great next to all of this. If you think so too, be sure to like this video. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.